What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. But anyway, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm not making you. But anyway, guys, so today we're going to be doing part 2 of my fidget collection. The reason why is because I didn't really show you everything last time, and plus that video literally got 87 views. So I feel like you really like those videos. So let's go ahead and do another one. Why not? Alright, guys, so I'm going to be showing you more of my fidgets. Really, I did not show you my mochis, actually. So, here are my mochis. I love my mochis. I love them. So I have this one. I have this one. These are my 2 big ones. I have a sun one, a bunny one, a gingerbread one, like elephant one, penguin. I have 2 of these. These have a little squirrel, cute little dinosaur, another one. I have a little cute little elephant. I have an alligator. I have this thing. I don't know what this is called. Comment down below if you guys have any of this. Elephants. What is he calling him? From Pokemon cards. His name's called, guys. Forgot him. What's his name called? I do not know what his name is called. Anyway, a little cute little bear. Cute little fat little chicken. Fat little bunny. Another one. Bunny. A little sheep. A little chicken. A little unicorn. A cloud one. Another sheep. A pig one. I have a pumpkin one. What are these called? Hippo. Hippopotamus. Then you have a little walrus. No, that's a... What are these called, guys? I don't know if you know. Whales? Whatever. Well, cute little thing. So those are all that I actually have. Okay. I want to show you guys more of my, thing is about to not even fit all these in here. It's getting very cramped. I'm going to not have to be able to fit them, but because I cannot fit these in here for some reason, but I do have another one. I have a white container instead. It has nothing in it. I'm going to put the rest of these that are falling out in this. So, have something in here. If you guys want a house tour of my place, then this video needs to get to 18 subscribers. If we get to 18 subscribers, then I will show you guys a house tour video. Well, you know what? Actually, I'll do one soon. Actually, I won't let you guys see that. I just have to get to like 3 to 5 likes in this video for me to do a house tour. So if you guys want to see a house tour of mine, then I have to get to 10 likes. And the rest in this cute little basket is a lot of erasers that are actually very cool. They're not really fidgets, but I just wanted to say that. Okay, I want to tell you guys more about my poppets because I didn't really show you a lot of my poppets. I'm going to go through every single one of them. So this one, a unicorn one. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I have a cute little bracelet, like I was telling you guys. I have my big poppet that I showed you guys. I have the bow one that is literally cheap, like I showed you. And then I have the baby poppet. I have the spinny ones that will spin and pop. Stuff like that. We have a baby poppet, another one. Then we have one of this one. We have this one that my brother colored. I showed you guys in my video, a Barbie one. Okay, I showed you guys my puzzle pieces ones. The puzzle pieces ones in my last video. I got more of the fidget spinners. Like I told you, this one is literally has rips in it. I've had it literally forever. It's rips in it. Stuff like that. But I've had that one absolutely forever. So like a lot. You have this little aqua. They're really, really cute. Pop them. Like that. This is really beautiful. I have another unicorn poppet. I have a rainbow poppet. An ice cream poppet and a cupcake poppet. I really like this one. Is really good quality. I have the hard shell one. I like the hard shells better than anything. They're really good. I have a bracelet, another bracelet. And then I have some more spinny wheels. Another little piece. I have a cute little snowman. I have 2 unicorns. And I have a cute little tree.
Buddy, I got you these at Walmart. They're $4 and half off clearance. I thought they were cute.
Okay. Then I have this another spinning wheel. Spinning wheel. And then I have this little thing. And then these 2. And then the glow up poppet. I have a cute little owl. I have 2 little bitty poppets. More itty bitty ones. I have this one. I love this one. It's actually looks like it's glow in the dark. It actually glow in the dark. Good quality. And then I have this one that's actually Colin's basketball one. And then let's count how many poppets I have, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Ashley got me ticket to you.
17. Wait, who?
Ashley at work.
That's so cute. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40. Exactly 40. I don't have a lot of stuff like some people do. For an example, let me name one. Purple Sardo Tim. Get subscribed to her. That's the only real person that I really know. She has a lot of stuff, and I don't really do. So guys, hopefully you guys liked this video and hear my brother. But anyway, guys, so that was all in today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and even follow me. It would really mean a lot. And you don't have to if you don't want to. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye!